Hi, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how I made these keto snacks. To all my new and returning subscribers, thank you for coming to watch this video. So for my keto snacks, I prepared this recipe using 2 free-range eggs. And we need to separate the yolk from the egg white, like I'm doing. If you're not very good at this, you can just break the egg and use a spoon to remove the yolk. And I added half teaspoon of cream of tartar. So we're just going to whisk the egg white together with the cream of tartar. I added half teaspoon of cream of tartar. So this whisking is going to take about 2 minutes, nothing more. So don't make sure that you put the egg in at the room temperature so that you're able to whisk this very easily. So when you begin to get this type of stiff foam consistency, then it's an indicator that it's time to add in the next ingredient. And the next ingredient that I weighed was egg white powder. So we're going to be using 20 grams of egg white powder for this recipe. So once you've gotten this stiff consistency, then add in the egg white powder. If you do not have egg white powder, you can substitute this by using whey protein. It's almost the same. I prefer to use egg white because it has less calorie. Less carbohydrates in it. So just whisk these two together. You are going to be, if it's a bit clumsy, do not worry. You just keep whisking till you get a very smooth paste. I just added in nutmeg because I love the nutmeg flavor to mask the egginess of the recipe. If you do not like nutmeg powder, you can use vanilla flavor. So now I'm going to be adding half teaspoon of almond oil. I didn't want to add butter because I will have to melt this and I don't want to go through that stress. That's why I'm adding almond oil. So just whisk this together, and preparing this recipe, it feels therapeutic because just watching that, see that awesome consistency. So I just give this like 3 minutes whisking because of the egg white made some lumps. And now we just scoop this into a lined baking tray. You can see how thick the consistency of that mix is. And I didn't add any other thing, just the egg white powder and the egg white itself and the cream of tartar. If you want a sweet snack, you can add in some sucralose or some xylitol sweetener, but for me it's sweetener free. So I'm going to bake this in a preheated oven for just 15 minutes at 150 degrees. See how hard the snacks came out, just like biscuits. Look at that. This recipe is so easy to make and it can stay in the fridge for up to a week. And I enjoyed mine with some melted butter and some cacao, the black chocolate. This I think it was 90% chocolate. I just melted this with some butter and voila, snacks is ready. If you enjoyed this recipe, please give this video a thumb up, share it with your friends, and let me know in the comment section how you like the keto snacks. Until next time, bye.